Hey, welcome back to Lupo Outdoors. Today is TAC Pack Tuesday, and I'm not happy, and I'll show you why.
So this is March's Tac Pack Plus. Now, to start with, I was actually disappointed with this month's Tac Pack, and I'll explain why. We'll go through this and talk about all the gear, and I'll express what I would rate this as. Tac packs sometimes are fantastic and very well worth what you're getting, and I've gotten some amazing stuff out of the Plus pack. And then there's tac packs like this one where I feel like it was a panic throw together Tac Pack Plus. It was a rehash of stuff they'd given us before in other tac packs, which isn't necessarily bad because if this is your first tac pack and all this is new to you. But let's go through it and talk about it. One of the things that we've gotten before in the past is these trigger guards, right? The B5 trigger guard polymer. And these are actually really nice and all, but you know what? We just got this not too long ago, so I wasn't overly thrilled about this. This is USA made. It's an Ohio company. What I'm going to do is, what I normally do is in the description down below, there will be links to all of these products on Amazon if I can find it on Amazon. If not, then there might be links to the company itself. All right? So, I have one of these trigger guards. They're nice. If this was a new box for you, you may be very thrilled about this. But I wasn't. The next thing is this med pack. Now, I'm a huge fan of these. I love having med packs. I feel it's the one thing that's often not included in your rucksack and your range bag. A lot of people don't bring these medic bags with them, and they really should. So the problem I have, so I was excited about this because I was liking med bags, but they give you a QR code on the description pack, and this is not the med pack that they actually link to. This is actually the wrong one. So I've been trying to reach out to them and let them know that this wasn't what they were supposed to send. And it's not even the right picture that they show in the card. So they sent the wrong med pack here. The one that they describe actually has a tourniquet in it and so forth. And this is a really, really basic one. There's like we got two things here and two things here. And the one that's described in the card and at the link, has a tourniquet. It's more of a trauma pack. And this is super, super basic and extremely disappointing. So I will be reaching out to Tac Pack and say, hey, where's my actual stuff? The next thing is they have an Allen gun sock, and that's this right here. Now, gun socks are nice. We haven't received this in the past. This is kind of cool, but I really, really don't use gun socks that often. Like, never. But it's not bad. I mean, it's not a horrible thing. I mean, it's great for protecting your guns when they're in saves and so forth. But to me, it was like, meh, this isn't exciting to me. Now, we'll go over the sticker later. Now, they gave us one of these again. And we just got one of these not too long ago. It's a fantastic water bottle. I absolutely love it. I don't need three. I don't know why, but they like to rehash this in a lot of the different tag packs, or If you have like a random TAC Pack box that you bought for like 30-40 bucks, you always find one of these in there. So once again, it's a rehash. Now this is the plus item right here. This is actually kind of neat, and I am somewhat excited about this. This is a really, really nice pair of ear protection. They retail for $180. I've seen them as cheap as $120 out there, but that's still over $100 value on these hearing protection. The question is am I excited about it? Meh. I mean, it's great, but you know how many earmuffs I have? And I have some really, really nice ones. So, I mean, we'll play with this. I might actually put it in a giveaway. We'll see soon. And last but not least is our TAC Man, which is actually, that's kind of a cool sticker, I have to admit. I'm not sad about this sticker. But when you look at everything that came into this TAC Pack, I honestly feel that they kind of just ran through this to kind of just put something together. I would rate this maybe a 2 out of 5 as a TAC Pack that I'm happy with. I literally, when I opened the box and looked into it, I thought they made a mistake. I thought this was a junk box. And then I sat there and I looked at it and I'm like, no, this is actually my TAC Pack Plus. Just not thrilled about this one, guys. Normally, there's some really cool things in here. The fact that they even sent the wrong medic bag even added to the disappointment of this box. All right, we'll see you guys next month for TAC Pack Tuesday.